We're back here in downtown Moab. We're actually on our way to Arches. There's not that many people right now because we woke up early again to beat the crowd.
Yeah.
To beat the line. There is a line. And of course, to get those nice pics.
Yeah.
And we're surrounded by Jeep Wranglers here.
I know.
Yeah, we just passed one earlier. It was like a, what's that, like those Terrenum, or if you want to have fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And also we're surrounded by this red rock.
Yeah. Oh, here's the Jeeps.
Oh yeah,
see,
here's
Jeep
the
rentals.
Jeeps. Oh yeah, there. You can rent those Jeeps. Yeah, we're surrounded by these red rock mountains or
Canyon.
canyons.
It's like Sedona.
I know.
Or Zion. There you
yeah.
go. It's like Zion. Alright, so we're going over the Colorado River. Man, look how grand this is. Oh, there's the sign.
I know. There's the sign.
Arches National Park. 4-wheel drive, all-wheel drive only here. 4-wheel drive only. Alright, so we're going up.
Yep, we're inside already.
Yeah, and right now they're only allowing 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive cars. So, thank God we have both.
Wow, look at that.
I know. Oh, there's an arch already.
I know.
It's so cool.
Like rock formation.
Yeah. All right. So here we are on top of the viewpoint. Look how nice this place is. And this is just the entrance too. Wow. Amazing.
Alright guys, we're here in one of the trail. See all of these landmarks. Oh, so we can see all of it here.
Oh, that's so cool.
So the 3 gossips is there. Shiprock. The Babel Tower in the backside. The Organ. And then if we turn over here, that one is the Balanced Rock. And then Elephant Butte. And then north and south windows. Alright guys, I think this rock right there is the Balanced Rock. And then you see those formation over there with like holes. I think those are like the arches.
Oh, here. Stand right there. I can take a
Okay
picture.
guys, I think this is the pothole arch.
The pothole arch.
or something. Alright guys, here's all the
windows.
the windows.
According to that. Hi, windows.
I know.
Hi, little window arches.
So okay guys, we finished this part. Now we're going up to the delicate arch over here.
Alright guys, I'm almost there. I just gotta climb up this icy rock. And we're there. Whew. Yeah, it's pouring right now. I got the camera covered, so it's all good. Whew. All right. Thank God we bought some snow hiking boots. Cause man, one little oopsie here. That's it. And it's wet. It's snowing too. Whew. All right, guys. Whew, I'm so winded. Ain't gonna lie. It's so steep. Look how steep that is. Whew, man. Wow. All rocks. And it's raining and snow. Whew. Crap. Perfect timing. It's snowing. Whew. There it is, guys. There it is. All right. Let's do this. Finally made it, guys. Finally made it. Look at this. Whew. Finally made it. I climbed on top of this place so I could get a better view or better shot. Alright guys, so it's snowing and right behind me is that. Finally made it. Was it worth it? Yep. Awesome views up here too. Oh yeah, forgot to show you guys. So this is how the trails look like going there. Has that little cliff thingy thing here. So just be very, very careful, guys. And it's snowing too right now. Whew. It's all good. The good thing is, it's a lot easier going back down. And thank God Francis is not here with me, because she's gonna have a very, very hard time. So here I am, guys. I'm inside this tiny arch right here. Climbed it up. Alright guys, so I'm on my way down, and here's the rocky, no grip part. Thank God I got hiking snowshoes, so I got great grip. And it's snowing too. Oh, it stopped snowing already. Cool. Okay, let's do this.
So how was the delicate arch?
Alright, so it was a 3-mile hike, right?
Mm-hmm.
What, it should have taken hours. I got it in 1 hour. Why? Because of the boots. I was like a mountain goat. I was like, I was like doing parkour. Like, pa, 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 pa. And then all the big guys that are not in shape, they were just looking at me like, what the heck?
Oh no.
So that was cool. I'm all soaking wet. Thank God the camera is okay.
Yeah.
I took tons of pictures. I took tons of videos.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so where are we headed now?
The Devil's Garden. Yeah. Yeah, because when I was looking at the description here, it says the delicate arch is like 3-mile hike. So I'm like, oh, you're gonna be there for like 2 hours. It took you 2 hours. The whole
round trip?
2.5, I think.
I guess. It only because I took a bunch of pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah, but I was just in and out. It's all about the shoes, that's why.
Yeah, that's good.
And if you're like, you know, if you exercise, then it's easy peasy.
Yeah. And then now it's snowing again.
Yeah. But at least this snow we could see. It's not like it's dark.
Yeah, I know.
And it's the unknown.
Okay, guys, we're back into winter wonderland.
Yay! Great. Now it's gonna be nice and cold.
I know.
34 degrees already. I don't know how much that is in Celsius.
Yeah.
Ice. Snow and ice again.
I know.
This car does perfect with snow and ice anyways.
I know. Still snowing very hard.
Yep. Another blizzard.
Okay guys, we're heading to
Canyonlands.
Canyonland National Park. And still
Snowing hard.
snowing hard.
We're down here in Canyonlands National Park. Alright, we're now leaving Canyonlands because there's really nothing to see.
I know.
It's just this. Not because of the snow.
The snow.
Yeah, and the fog, snow and fog.
And it's snowing really, really hard. The good thing is the snow here is like powder.
Soft. Yeah, it's really soft.
Yeah. So we are heading to Dead Horse State Park, right?
Yes.
Dead Horse.
Yes, Dead Horse State Park.
Dead Horse State Park. Is there a lot of dead horse here?
Oh, oops.
It's foggy over here, but over here it's not.
Alright guys, so this is our food. This is breaking all of our diets right now because Moab has some good southern barbecue food. And where did we get this from? Moab Spitfire? Spitfire Moab.
Uh-huh.
Looks good, smells good. I'm sure it tastes good. Alright, let's do this.